Hi, good afternoon. My name's Rudo. I'm the fundraising lead at Whiteparish Cricket Club.
And Jim Bishop from Whiteparish Memorial Trust.
We want the club to look and feel a bit more like a cricket club. It's always been part of the Memorial Centre here. We want it to feel a bit more like at home for the cricket club. So we're going to get some additional signage. We wanted an improved seating area. And over the last 5 years, we've really invested in the club in terms of youth development, youth cricket. We've started an all-stars team, a Dynamos training team as well. And we've invested in ladies cricket with the help of the ECB. So as part of that whole development, we want to we've worked in partnership with the Memorial Trust and the Parish Council to improve the facilities. And this is part of that journey that we're on to do that. So I'd say we've been talking about this for a long time. In the last year or so, we've actually knuckled down and got on with this, and we've had great support from Memorial Trust and the Parish Council, also Wiltshire Area Board, and a number of local sponsors such as Raymond Brown.
Well, this building is a sort of trustee-run building on behalf or for the people of Whiteparish. It's a combination of two old trusts that were merged together to build this building here, and the benefit we see of it, of course, is the sort of overflow from the rooms. Occasionally we have weddings here. WI meetings can overflow onto the patio now on nice warm sunny days.
This change of space here will allow us more to enjoy the outdoors. Before we had a sort of grassy area which sometimes got a little bit muddy and damp and so on and so forth. So this will allow us some improved seating area, improves engagement. So when you've got youth training going on, the adults, the parents, the guardians can sit here in a bit more comfort, and also allow for additional fundraising activities if and when we need to. Plus, this is very much the heart of the community, heart of Whiteparish, I would say here. So it's about the cricket club, it's also about the village fete, it's about the fireworks night, all those sort of other periphery benefits. And then specifically for the cricket club, it means that we've got a more welcoming, open and up-to-date facility, which in modern game of cricket sort of needs a bit more. You know, it's not necessarily just a small village cricket club. It's where we are growing, we're developing, and we need to reflect that.
I'd like to thank the trustees of Whiteparish Memorial Trust, Whiteparish Parish Council for supporting this project, the cricket club for instigating it all in the first place, and providing improved facilities, and also Wiltshire Council for their area board contribution.
Yeah, great. So I totally agree with that, and yeah, we had a great partnership approach here with Wiltshire Area Board, the Parish Council, Memorial Trust. So I'd like to thank Jim and his colleagues for helping with that. Also, I want to thank Paul Cass. He's doing a great job here, really fantastic. Him and his team are doing a great job, and also Forest Stone and everyone else for providing the materials. We've had sponsorship from Raymond Brown. Again, we'd like to thank those, Raymond Brown, Old Neighbour Youth Cricket going forward. And what we'll do, we'll put a full list of all the credits at the end in here. But thank you from all of us very much. So we're in mid-April now. Paul Cass and the team are finishing off. The next time you'll see us, the job will be done. We'll look to get the youth team, the ladies team, and we'll have the official opening. And hopefully the weather will be a bit nicer and a bit warmer. So we'll look forward to that.